Jamie Hayter, Alex Windsor had a successful debut as a tag team this past weekend in Brisbane, Australia. Swinging a miss, Becca off the ropes.
Well, the young lady's got a gymnastics background and a powerlifting background as well.
Becca charging in. Back elbow for Alex Windsor. Hammer throw. Windsor, no. Reverses. And Windsor drags Becca out towards center, and Jamie Hayter waiting for it. And the back breaker delivered by Jamie Hayter. And Windsor comes in the lariat. Viva Van taking off the corner. And Becca unfortunately sandwiched between the Brawling Birds. And now Hayter on the move. The cover, 1, 2, 3.
They call that two birds with one stone at Taylor.
The Brawling Birds!
2 birds, 1 stone, and 1 big victory for Jamie Hayter and Alex Windsor. And if you're Willow Nightingale and Harley Cameron, you got to be looking at over your shoulder at this pair of potential challengers. Well, right now, let's head to the back where our colleague, the remarkable Renee Paquette, is standing by.